Hello guys! Bago po awitin tong kantang ito, shoutout muna po ako kay Ate Margie Cuenco. Thank you so much for always sharing my video. And to Ate Gemma Salvador, thank you for following. Thank you so much for your support. And to Julie Salvador Lacayanga, thank you so much for all your supports guys. And to all the people there in Ventanilla, Panquitarlac. Thank you so much guys for sharing my videos and for following me all the time. You make my heart so happy guys. And to all my pamangkins, Malu, Maricel, Christina, at sino pa, kayong mga lahat. Dahil kayo yung unang-unang kong mga number one ko pa dyan kong mga supporters. Salamat sa inyong lahat sa share ng aking video. Salamat sa inyong lahat at hindi niyo ako kinakalimutan. Thank you guys, and this song is for all of you. And to all my followers as well. Thank you so much. Kami ay nagkalayo pagkat kami magkasama.